Today we're going to talk about heat pump and why it's the future. It's a device similar to air conditioner, but the major difference, it can transfer heat and energy from outside to your house. It doesn't require high temperature outside, it can work at a temperature minus 14 Fahrenheit. First thing which makes a great difference in between of heat pump and furnace, it's their efficiency. Second reason, it's zero carbon emission. Third and great thing, you can get rebate for this heat pump. What to take a look if you decide to choose your heat pump for your house. It's a HSPF rating. If we have HSPF rating of 10, it means taking 1 watt of electricity, this heat pump can produce 10 watt of heat and energy. So if you're still thinking what to choose right now, gas furnace or a heat pump, think about our future because it depends on our today's decision.